Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade dill pickles. First, select fresh, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 4 to 5 inches long. Next, prepare your brine by combining 4 cups of water, 4 cups of white vinegar, and 1/2 cup of pickling salt in a pot. Bring this mixture to a boil. While the brine heats, ensure your canning jars and lids are sterilized and ready for packing. Now let's pack those jars. To each sterilized quart jar, add 1 to 2 fresh dill sprigs, 1 to 2 peeled garlic cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon of pickling spice. Then, tightly pack your prepared cucumbers vertically into the jars. Make sure to leave approximately 1/2 inch of headspace from the top rim of the jar to allow for proper sealing. With your jars packed, carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are completely submerged. Use a non-metallic utensil to remove any trapped air bubbles by gently running it along the inside of the jar. Wipe the rims clean, center the lids, and apply the bands finger tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Check for a proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. For the best flavor, allow your pickles to cure for at least 4 to 6 weeks before opening. Store sealed jars in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 year. Once opened, refrigerate and enjoy within 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.